Hi learners, welcome again on our productive platform. Right now we are going with the implementation of type 1 hypervisor. So let's move with the deployment of type 1 hypervisor. Just click on the start button and select server manager. We have very simple options regarding the deployment of Hyper-V on Microsoft platform. So just click on the manage button and select add roles and features. Here we go, just click with the simple next option. So right now we have two major options regarding the deployment. The first one is role based or feature based installation, while the second one is remote desktop services installation, which is completely related with the deployment of VDI infrastructure. So right now we are not going with the VDI infrastructure. So we will select the first option, role based or feature based installation, and just click on the next button. Here you can see server is mentioned on which we are going for the deployment of type 1 hypervisor. And if we have more servers in our data center, so all the servers will be mentioned over here. So right now by default we have only a single server, so we just click on this server, select it, and go with the next button option. Here you can see that we have number of services and applications on the platform of server 2016 operating system, which are related with the security and file sharing services, remote desktop services. So we have number of applications, but from here we are going with the deployment of type 1 hypervisor, which is over here. Just click on the Hyper-V and select it. Here this Hyper-V mentioned that it's require further features options regarding the deployment of this feature. So just add features and we will go with the next button. Here we go. So we will go with the simple next options regarding the deployment of type 1 hypervisor. And after the installation of Hyper-V, we will go and configure number of options in upcoming demos. So here we just go and click with the next button option. Here you can see that we have virtual hard disk location mentioned over here in the first section, while in the second section we have virtual machine configuration files, which we can change later when we are going with the deployment of virtual machines. So click on the next button, confirm, and select restart the destination server automatically if required. So when this installation process is completed, then this host machine will be automatically restarted if required. So click on the installed button, and after a few minutes this installation process will be completed. And as this process ongoing, we are going to pause this video and will welcome you in upcoming session.